Hey guys, this is Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to do brow lamination at home with these hands on my brows without losing them, hopefully. Okay, so what I've done at first, I get myself beautiful brows and lashes professional brow bone procedure. It cost me £40, I think. I think that was £40. And it comes with this beautiful pink package. Amazing. When I saw that, I was like, oh my god. So you got the instructions, right? So step by step, even if I'm not professional and I've done it. So if you can do it, if I can do it, you can do it as well. Super easy. So you got the instructions step by step, blah blah blah. And then you got Then you got 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3, and together it should look like this. Boom! Beautiful brows and lashes professional kit. They also give you like a little brush, which is completely useless. So see ya. I'm gonna use mine. So all you need, it's just got to look like a little brush for eyelashes, to be honest. This is like for eyelashes, but I'm gonna use it for my brows. Guys, before we start doing anything, we need to make sure, and this is not in the instructions, this is me telling you, we got to make sure we've got something which will help us to remove step number 1. After we apply, we got step number 1, we got to remove it. So we need something like whatever you want. And it's going to be the same after step number 2, and then it's going to be the same after step number 3. So it doesn't say in instructions, and for the first time when I was doing it, I was running like a crazy looking for like tissues or whatever, because I wasn't prepared. So this is definitely help. Okay, before we start doing anything, we got to make sure we don't wear any makeup on our brows. Okay, so with the step number 1, we got to apply just a little bit, and we got to make the shape we want, right? And we setting the hair in the right direction and shape with the mascara brush. I'm not gonna apply too much. Okay, so I applied step number 1, and I'm making sure all the hair are in the direction I want. Okay, now what we got to do, leave it for reading the instructions. Boom, 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 boom. It doesn't say on the instructions, but I saw it on the YouTube, so I'll do it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it for 5-6 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove lifting cream and make sure there's nothing on my brows. They're looking good so far. I like it. You can already see the difference between like this one, natural, and this one. This one's more like fluffy, more volume. I love it. Okay, step number 3. We got to apply a little bit of this lotion on my brows. Still using the brush. I had to clean it because I only got one brush, so I'm still using the same one. And we're gonna leave it for natural healthy brows 6 minutes. So let's leave it for 6 minutes. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes we got to remove the step number 2. So I'm gonna remove it carefully. Step number 3. I mean step number 4, but box number 3. So this is moisturizer. Yeah. So applying exactly the same as we did with step number 1 and step number 2. And we waiting a couple of minutes, I would say 2 minutes. I will show you final result when I clean the moisturizer off. So I'm removing the moisturizer, and oh my god, it looks so good and it feels so soft. This is amazing. Oh my god, these are so like, oh my god, like so, I don't even know how to explain it. This is like baby hair and like very soft. So this is the final look. This side not done yet. This side after brow lamination. Let me know guys, what do you think? It's super easy. Very carefully apply each product because you don't want to burn your brows. You want them to look amazing. So hopefully I help you guys, and if you've got any questions, comment and I will try to answer them. Love you. Mwah.